Hello, welcome to San Jose Green Living channel. I'm Lily. If you are watching this, you most likely know me or have been this channel before. If you are the first time viewer, we are a channel that's appreciating these gardens, and this is the view we wake up every day. We are in San Jose, California. And why do we do this garden? Well, my husband and I purchased this house in 2020. At that time, the garden was nothing, and I decided that I want something that I can harvest either vegetable or fruits all year long. So I study fruit tree and vegetable. This is apple. This is another apple. This arch has tomato, long beans, and bitter mellow, lemon tree, and this is the dragon maple. This is the apple tree, and that's sweet potatoes, apricot, and you see some of the passion fruit. This is another angle of the apple tree. We are doing pretty well this year. We have more than 30 something apples. I did not take a video for apple only. This is ginger and lemon tree. Lemon tree, like usual, has been giving me lots of fruits. It was a leftover lemon tree from the previous owner, and I had some sort of squat right here. I think it's the sweet squat. They also had carrots, pechay, and kale. That's the close look of the squat. See that yellow squat right there? And I had two of them inside. Daisy is pretty much dry out. Kale is coming up in a small square. And I'm planting radish right now. The white radish is a good time to plant now, and you can see chive and my plum tree. All the plum has been eaten. I did not take a closer look of the video in my loquat. And here comes the avocado. If you want to see the detail of the avocado, there is 3 other avocado video that you can watch in this channel. And we are going to see tomato, basil, long beans, loquat, and bitter mellow. Loquat has been doing pretty good this year. It has doing even better before. This year we had lots of animals coming. They first visit the 3 boxes, so they eaten long beans, loquat, and bitter mellow. Oh, they don't eat bitter mellow, but bitter mellows is also there. This is the peach. My grapefruit has been eaten. Peach has been giving me some peach, but most of them are being eaten by the animal. And my tomatoes. And this is the plum tree and kale. Kale has been giving me seeds now. Now we come to passion fruit area. Passion fruit has been doing so well this year. You can see lots of passion fruit that I harvest. This is the olive tree, and passion fruit has outside, inside, upside. And dragon fruit, I finally figured out how to do how to plant dragon fruit so it will fruit. But passion fruit has been mastered on that now. And as long as you give them water and fertilizer and make sure there's lots of sunshine and you cut them once a while, you have wonderful harvest, and the passion fruit will climb to the area that you design. So I highly recommend planting passion fruit in San Jose area. Especially in my neighborhood, the sunshine is so strong and passion fruit really love it. This is the wok from from the middle of the garden to the top of the garden, and this is the angle you see passion fruit from the top of the garden. And I'm walking on the deck that my husband built. Since this is a slope garden, I think the niche is to watch the garden from the top layer, middle layer, and the down layer. Now I'm showing you all the harvest I have. This year the harvest is very nice. Passion fruit, long beans, logua, lofa, and kale, and my vegetable, tomatoes. They are all doing very well. And I finally achieved my goal, which is I can harvest almost everything in all the season. Either it's vegetable, fruits, or some sort of squash. And now I'm studying how to do the dragon fruit, and my roses is doing well. I am really enjoying my garden and welcome you to come visit my garden and enjoy the harvest that we got in San Jose Green Living. Thank you for watching.